Gloomy day today. We're going for lunch at Blue Top. Tell me what you got to drink.
Well, skipped water for breakfast. We just went right to the alcohol.
It looks so bright next to you. Oh my gosh. What is it?
Couldn't tell you.
You forgot?
It's a mule of some kind. I don't know.
Ew, a mule. I hate mules. I hate ginger. How's it taste?
Beautiful.
Good. All right, smoked salmon BLTA. Veggie burger with the most delicious looking fries. Yummy.
On top of the coffee table.
Mm-hmm. I just think it's so funny because you hate Target, you say. To the unicorn! She sees it already. She sees it. Happy Valentine's Day, Nala! Oh my gosh, she's trying to grab the arm.
Friend. You want her? You want her? No friends.
Need some help there, friend? Need some help? You got it. Come on, you got it. Get it. You got it. Come on. Need some help? Here, I'll put it up for you. Okay, ready? There you go. Oh my goodness. That's a happy girl. She doesn't even know what to do with it. She's licking her. Oh, he's so sweet. Guys, if you want to know the process of how I pick all of these books to go on those bookshelves, here it is. All right, guys, so here is the living room right now. Updated living room tour. We added these bookshelves. We got them for like $25 at Walmart. They were so cheap and I'm really, really happy with them. We got the scent warmer from Target, that little plant thing from Walmart. I actually found that candle today at Goodwill for $2. And then that globe is from Walmart as well. And then this coffee table is from Target and I love it. Blake picked it out and I was like, oh my gosh, because it was like kind of expensive. And oh look, there's already a watermark. Oh, it's on the glass. So I was like, are you sure we should get it? And he said yes, and I'm happy we did because it has these drawers. So it holds like controllers and stuff. So super, super nice. And it's the nice drawers that like roll out super, super smoothly. So it's looking so good. This is on the glass, by the way. It's not on the table. So anyway, that is kind of an update. The last thing I think we're gonna do this weekend is we're gonna get a chair for over there with like a lamp. And then the living room is basically gonna be done. The apartment is basically gonna be done. So once we finish the apartment, I will probably be uploading a finished apartment tour to my channel on a Tuesday, like a main channel video essentially. So I'm excited for that. It's taken us basically a whole year to get here. So slowly but surely we've been working on this apartment and we'll be living here for at least a year more. So that is kind of what's happening right now. Like you saw earlier, we also got Nala this huge unicorn and she loves it so much. Do you love your unicorn? You love your unicorn? And so she is enjoying laying with it right now. And they are $15 at Walmart right now for Valentine's Day. So if you want to get your pup one, they are so nice. They're actually really good quality for $15. She has not been able to tear it open, so she has been enjoying it. Thank you everyone so much for watching this week's vlog. I hope that you enjoyed it. I know it's just kind of some random clips throughout Monday, but we had a lot of fun decorating our apartment and it's currently Thursday actually. I'm just editing this and about to post it. I've been pretty sick the past couple of days, so about to hop into the bath. And anyway guys, I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday with a new video. Bye!
Don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. If you can't say